Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's kitchen. Today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I make my green season. Even though I don't have all the ingredients for my green season, but I'm gonna make some curry chicken and I want that green seasoning in it. So yeah, well, I'm just gonna get started. First, I have some onions in the food processor blender already. So I have some corn oil. Here, I'm gonna add the rest of onions. And I have one onion chopped up. I have some pimento berry, which is allspice, and I have a piece of ginger. I'm gonna add all of them to my blender. And you could use any blender to make this. Not to be a food processor blender. Now I'm gonna add my bell pepper, which is sweet pepper. All of that go blend up in it. I have two white pepper, so I'm gonna blend them in there.